Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill a PDF form on iPhone. Now the first thing that we're going to do is head over to Files. So you have to make sure that the file is already in your Files app here on the iPhone. And for example, this one right here, this is a PDF file. I want to go ahead and long press on that one and then look for the quick access or quick actions down below. Click the one, then click markup. And then from here, what you're going to do is just click on this three dots here and then choose form filling. So once you do that one, the next thing that you're going to do is just head over and zoom in to some place. You can see that now they're blue. So if you're going to go ahead and click on them, you can see that now I can type here. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead and type here a sample address. Oops. All right, say for example, something like that. Now you can do the same thing for the date of birth, place of birth, and many other stuffs here. Now, say for example, what you're seeing in this case, for example, you can see that there aren't any, let's say, space where I can type. If you are seeing missing, I want you to head over and click the plus sign right here, and then click Add Text Form Box, and then you can go ahead and move that there, resize it, just like so. And then I want you to go ahead and click that. You can go ahead and type it here, just like so. And when you are done, I want you to go over and click this one right here. And you can then go ahead and save this one. So just go ahead and click save the file right here, just like so. Click the save button. And then in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and keep this both. So once I'm done with that, I should be able to click the checkbox right here. And then you can see the form 2 is here. This is the one that we have already filled in. So let's go ahead and open that one. All right, so I click the quick look and you can see here that now we have the answers that we have added earlier. And again, everybody, that's how you're going to fill a PDF form here in your iPhone.